Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to post longer text on X or Twitter platform. As you already know that X platform has some text limitations that you cannot exceed those characters. So I'll tell you how you can solve this issue. Simply click on this plus icon on the right side and from here simply paste or enter the text you want to tweet. Let's say I have this text copied, so I'll paste this text here, and as you can see this is exceeding the characters limits. So what I will do is simply select this text which is extra, and I'll tell you how you can solve this issue. Simply cut this text, and once it is cut simply click on the plus icon on the right side corner below, and that is another post linked to this post. I will paste this text. This is also exceeding limit, so you can repeat this process. Simply select the extra text, and once you select the extra text just cut and again click on this plus icon. So this will be the third post linked to the first post. As you can see, I will now remove this text and I'll show you that these are linked with one another and that is only one post. And once you're done, simply click on this post icon, post all, and I'll show you how does this looks. Once it is posted, as you can see, this is the first tweet, second and third. They both are in the same tweet. So that is how you can post longer text on Twitter or X platform.